Hello my cool cats and kittens. No, I'm just kidding. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I just wanted to show you a quick, so these are my curls from the last video. If you haven't seen it, make sure after you've watched this video to go and watch it. Yeah, these are what my curls look like the next day. I actually didn't use any of my curling tips purely because I wasn't too fussed about keeping my curls in, and to be honest I actually quite like the softer look on my curls. So just before I get into today's video and explaining what this one's about, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Welcome. And if you're new here, I just want to say another welcome, and if you haven't, then can you please go and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot, and I'm really open to suggestions and comments on what videos you would like to see next. I've made this channel because I really want to help people during lockdown be able to do their hair and just try and make them feel better. Seeing as I can't work at the moment, I can't do my job as in helping people to feel good about themselves, as I am a hairdresser. So I feel that this is the only way that I can get any form of contact with you guys. So if this helps in any way, please let me know because I will really appreciate it. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my 5 different everyday lockdown hairstyles. Now, I know a lot of you will probably be not wanting to do anything with your hair, so this is what I'm aiming my hairstyles at, is for those who don't really want to do anything with their hair but also are feeling a little bit low and want to make themselves feel a little bit better. So let's get straight to it. Hairstyle is what I use quite a lot when I feel like my hair needs to be washed but I want to go an extra day maybe. So what I'm going to do is take a section again, so I'm going from above the ear and just going straight round. I'm looking over here because my mirror's here. So I'm just taking my section and I'm just going straight up onto the crown. If you don't know what the crown is, the top part of your head here, so just this bit here. So I'm going to take my section up onto the crown and then just separating all of my hair like here. Perfectly neat. Try and make it so you can actually see. And then what I'm going to do is take a small hairband and just secure that, tighten that round, and then I just pull it from the sides and just literally pull little bits out, tighten it again, pull bits, tighten it. Right, it doesn't look the greatest right now, so I'm going to take a bit, just a small strand of hair. Now, what you're going to want to do is wrap this bit of hair around until until your hairband is covered, and then you're going to want to take a bobby pin, or whatever you call them, because I know so many people call them different, and you're just going to want to slide it in, twist it down and push it up like that, and then that's how you hide the hairband. And I just find you can still play around with it after and everything, and I just really like this one because I find from the back, when your hair's all curly, it sort of blends in quite nicely, and it just gets all of the hair off your face, but also it also looks nice as well. This is the one that I use the most. This is my absolute favourite hairstyle. You're just going to want your hair in the exact same position, and all you're going to do is flip it forwards, split it into 3 sections, and just braid normally, going down like this. I'm trying to make it so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so once you've braided all the way down to the end, as far as you can go, you're going to want to pull it out a little bit, just on the sides. You can see. And then you're just gonna put your finger here, like that, so it goes down, just to sort of guide it, and just wrap this going round, and then hold in the ends, just get another bobby pin, and again, I'm just trying to make sure you can see this. Just literally secure that right in and pull those bits over, and then just have a little play with it, pull some bits out again. And that is my second hair. Really easy, simple, and it looks really cute. I forgot to mention, I'm in a different location today, as you can quite tell, and this is purely because my boyfriend is home and he is actually gaming at the moment, and I don't want him shouting during my video, so that's why I've decided to move in here. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm recording. But if you put your face on the camera, I'm going to show you my video. Yeah, you're going to have to run them. For your neck, for the third hairstyle, you want to flip your hair over and take a section like, just get all of that front bit. Like, if you wear it in a side, quite a side parting, just take it from there. If you don't, just make one. Just pull it over. And then you're just going to plait this down. But as you're plaiting, you want to pull bits out. So just bag it a bit. You don't want it to be too secure in. Again, it doesn't need to be neat. When you're bagging out a plait, you want to pull it from these side bits, like the very side, like this, and you just want to keep looking at the plait, and you just want to make sure that it sort of looks even going down as well. Like this. And then again, pull out this top bit. You're going to get your little hairband and just secure that right at the very bottom and tie that round. And what you're going to do is get this top bit of hair here and just get that out the way for now. You can use a pin, a clip, whatever. Just get that out the way for a minute. You're going to get your plait behind the ear, put your bobby pin either side of the plait and push upwards so it goes up the plait. Now this will secure in behind your ear, so when you take the rest of your hair down, it will sit nicely on top. And there you've got a cute little, really easy plait. For this one, I'm going to show you how to do like a messy bun look that's just really easy. So, flip your hair upside down, and what you're going to do, it doesn't need to be absolutely perfect, but yeah, just want to get all of your hair up and out the way, but you want it on top of your head, so just pull it on top like this and just secure that. So what you're going to want to do is tie, so go up and tie the end of your ponytail. You can't even see this. So tie that like this, and then you want to roll down like this, and then get your pin and pin that in place. And then just sort of work with it really. Pin bits here, there. Again, sorry, my camera died. So if any bits have changed, I do apologise. You just really want to sort of pin however you feel. Yeah, really. Just sort of look, see what you think. Just mess around with it really. This one's quite nice for getting it off your face as well. And if you feel like it's quite harsh around your face, just pull little bits out. You can pull some bits out here, like your little bits, your little hairs, like this. Okay, for my last hairstyle, you just want to get your hair up into a ponytail. So get your hair in a ponytail. So again, just take a strand of hair and twist it round until the hairband is covered. Again, take a grip, push it up, like that. Easy. If you find it's too harsh, just softly pull some little bits out around your hairline, like that. And there you have it. Another trick, if you don't have a bobby pin for this one, I really hope you can see this. Go from underneath where you've tied it, pull out, trying to make sure that you keep your bit that's tied in nice. Pull out a bit of band, like that. I really don't know if you can see, but just get your hair and pull that last little bit underneath. Just pull it through until it comes to any pins. I hope this video has helped. Again, if you haven't, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see anything in particular, just drop a comment below and I will try my best to make that video if this really helped. And again, welcome everyone, welcome to all my subscribers, I really appreciate it. And welcome to everyone that is new to this channel. I hope you stick around and you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, which will probably be really soon. Peace!